up and running, and you bring them all into the Sentinel platform. Besides that, you also have the whole Defender stack where you can, enable those technologies like Defender for Identity, Defender for Office 365, Defender for Endpoint, and Defender for Cloud Apps, and all these different great products. So the overall security stack from Microsoft, I'm really a fan of it, and I love what you can do.
Tell us something, why something is better with 365 Defender without 365 Defender. Because in Sentinel, you can collect the data from data connectors. So where does it fit into that?
Yeah.
If you can kind of help understand.
Yeah, I think it's a very good question. And the way that I tell about this, basically you have some pillars inside the Microsoft organization where you have the whole M365 organization or teams. You can think of it. You have the Azure teams, and you have various teams inside the whole organization. And all of them, when it comes to security, are working on, building better, products within the whole security stack. And I see that you have a huge Defender stack and you have a huge Azure stack. And you can bring these data into the Sentinel platform, or you can use some of it, as a product. For example, if you want to do endpoint protection, you don't necessarily need to have the Sentinel platform up and running. If you are not having a huge cloud footprint, you can come very far with the security portal, with the whole Defender stack. But you can also bring these data into this Sentinel platform as the connector, where all of the alerts, all of the loggings are streamed into the Sentinel platform, which means that when all these alert rules are looking for threats in your data, it can detect this data from these various sources and allow what you can detect